What is the demand function? The demand function is a mathematical expression of the relationship of two variables. The QD, or the quantity demanded, is identified as the dependent variable, while P, or price, is considered the independent variable. Please take note that the price has a direct and significant effect on the demand in the market. Take a look at this. Let us say QD equals sign 204P. The 200 represents the quantity of the product, while the negative or minus sign indicates the relationship between the quantity and the price. Help me solve the demand function below. The given. QD1 and QD2 are missing, while P1 equals sign to 50 and P2 equals sign 45 first. Let us use the data from P1, which is 50. The demand function is 200 minus 4 multiplied by 50, so 200 minus 200 is equal to 0. Therefore, our QD1 is 0. Let us move on to the next given. The same demand function will be used, and the price will be now 45. So QD is equal to 200 minus 4 multiplied by 45. QD is equal to 200 minus 180. Therefore, our QD2 is equal to 20.